ukuthi nawe baba uyabanesa. So kodwa-ke
angithi uthoma wakho
angiphiki kodwa abamanje emzumbu uvaliwe bahlele le endlini ezibizayo uyabakhokhela. Mina ukube yimina nje ngaba ngibakhokheli. Abantu abangibangela stress uzoshawa stroke lapho ufe. Naba kade webaba nomusa nje ulandela igama lakho.
Yes uyazi sinele ndlela yesithembu iyancengwa
Hawu ngeke
kodwa manje wena
engabe uncenga impilo yakho uncenge indlela esithembu okubangela inkinga ngeke ungamkhokheli endlini idliwe indlu meyidliwe azibona agoduke mefuna ukugoduka noma aphinde emzumbe mefuna ukuphinda emzumbe
uzoyimela lento
ngizoyimela.
Some people think it's jealousy and some people think Usine is self-entitled, that everything enhle ifanele yena kuphela. Which is akazithole izinto ezihle azifunayo from uMusa, because uMusa namuva nasekugcineni uyakhuluma ukuthi uzoyimela yini lento oyikhulumayo. So Usine told ubabakhe ukuthi yena she didn't like the way abafazi bamtreat ngakhona ngenkathi egula, which she mentioned ukuthi uMayeni told uMusa during i-diary session ukuthi wena awuguli wena and ayizange imphathe kahle, which is true. I think if she knew ukuthi i-conversation lena icale phi ukuze iphelele la sebaphikisana khona, I think it will be much better, but it was true ukuthi vele azange bamphathe kahle ngenkathi egula. But also that didn't give Usine igunya lokuthi atshele ubabakhe ukuthi yeah, if mina I was you, I was not gonna pay any of those expensive houses. Anyeke nazibhadale zona lezi zinto lezi ezibizayo for abafazi bakhe because bele bamtreat the way bamtreat ngakhona ngenkathi agula, which is unfair because bona labo abafazi labo lezi zinto lezi abazithengile athi Usine ubabakhe bokumele aziyeke zibe repossessed, angabhadali lutho, zidliwe izindlo. Akacabangi yini ukuthi abantwana basekibo bazihlalaphi? Yes, bangabuyela emzumbe, but the way akhuluma ngakhona it's like akacabangela abantwana basekibo sekalwa nalabafazi. It's like manje Usine is in a competition nalabafazi labo bakababakhe. And then ekugcineni guys, uMusa was like Sine uzoyimela lento oyikhulumayo. Usine wathi uzoyimela, which means uMusa uzohamba ayotshela abafazi bakhe ukuthi Usine utheni, and then when they come ba retaliate Usine uyobe sesele yedwa. Oh, the story. Hey guys, Usine bekumele azi ilimit yakhe ne-boundary yakhe, izinto kumele azikhulume kubabakhe nengamelanga azikhulume. Uyazi yena nobabakhe bahlale belwa. Bekumele she knows ukuthi uphelelaphi nokuthi nje ezinye izinto akumelanga ngizikhulume la cause ngizojikelwa. Mdala Usine unabantwana abayi-3, mdala. Guys, now what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.